KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2020. I'm James Spann. Wet as the word, soaking rains for Alabama today, tonight, and tomorrow. Let's take a look. We'll start with the upper air pattern across the country. We're watching that deep upper low that's coming out of Mexico. Got a southwest flow aloft. Rising air motion, a moist air mass, and boom, there's the rain. That was the radar this morning at 4:52. Check the composite across the southeastern states. Rain is extensive across Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, Arkansas, and it's just going to be an all-day kind of washout today. Temperatures are in the 40s in most spots. We'll creep up into the 60s today. Little question as to how far north the warm sector will get, but we should be a little warmer this afternoon. So, obviously, the big issues in the country down here in the Deep South with flooding. We have flash flood watches in effect for parts of Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana. There's a look at the watch in our state. The counties highlighted there in the darker shades of green. Basically, areas along and north of Interstate 59. That's where the heaviest rain will fall for the next 48 hours. In terms of severe weather, the better chance of severe storms today and tonight over South Mississippi and southeast Louisiana. We've got the standard slight risk level 2 out of 5, that low-end marginal risk level 1 out of 5 into parts of west and southwest Alabama, basically Hamilton, Jasper, Brent down to Mobile. And we'll take a look at the specifics on this in a second. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over southeast Alabama, back over to Baldwin County. No severe weather at all expected for the north. So here's the rain for the next 7 days, and a lot of this will be coming down today, tonight, and tomorrow here in the Deep South. Parts of North Alabama could see 4 inches or more. Areas there in yellow, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, between 2 and 3 inches, 1 to 2 inches down for the southern half of the state. And WPC has a moderate risk of flooding up now in their day 1 excessive rain outlook for parts of central Mississippi, north and northwest Alabama. Surrounding that, the standard risk over the rest of North Alabama. So needless to say, flooding is the great concern. And you know the deal. Driving in cars, that's the biggest problem we have. And turn around, don't drown. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing, phasing up west of the state. Rising air motion all across the Deep South. And just a big old rain event for Alabama, the surrounding states. Rain will be widespread today. The question is, how far will the instability get? This is tonight at 9, and you can see just a little bit of instability as far north as Tuscaloosa, back down to Mobile and Andalusia and Atmore, and that's where that marginal risk is in effect. But obviously, with a big rain mass like this, that's going to greatly limit instability, so I don't think severe weather is going to be too big of a problem, just rain and flooding. Tomorrow, the rain rates probably will lessen, but still it's going to be a wet day with periods of rain. High should be in the low 60s. And then Saturday, that upper low goes pretty much on top of us. The models have trended a little farther north with the core of the upper low. And if that's the case, the better chance of snowflakes will stay north of the Tennessee Valley, Kentucky, and parts of Tennessee. Saturday looks to be a cloudy and cold day. And if the upper low passes north of us, we could see low to mid-50s. If it's farther south, we'll be in the 40s all day. But probably not much rain. Maybe some patchy light rain or drizzle Saturday morning. And then Sunday, we're brighter. The sun back in full force. We start the day below freezing. With upper 20s, the high will be in the middle 50s. Now, Monday, we'll call it partly sunny with 50s. A little wave comes in here, and the GFS is suggesting a chance of some light rain with that wave Monday night. Not much. And then Tuesday, we're dry and cool with highs in the 50s, but the European says not so fast. It's continuing to show a more robust solution with that next wave, showing a good chance of rain on Tuesday. And again, we'll side with this wetter solution and mention a chance of rain on Tuesday. But again, not like the deal we're getting today. And then Wednesday, we're dry. High should be in the 50s, very seasonal. And a week from today, Thursday the 9th, troughing in the west, ridging in the east, and again, we're dry and pleasant. This is Friday of next week. The next wave comes in. That seems to be a pretty good rain event if this verifies, with a surface low coming on top of us. And then the following day, Saturday the 11th, that wave is on by and we are dry. No sign of any cold air. In fact, this is the CPC outlook for the period January 9th through the 15th. Cold in the west, below average temperatures. Warm in the east with above average temperatures, and including Alabama here. Here's the rain off the European ensemble for the next 15 days. That mean line is almost up to 6 inches. And again, a lot of that's going to be with this thing today, tonight, and tomorrow. And temperatures, 60s today and tomorrow. Saturday, it's got 53. Mostly 50s next week with lows in the 30s. That's right at average values for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.